Hello guys. Today we'll be playing Destroy Trains in NYC. The game's made by Karma IT. I mean, it's 5-year anniversary. So if you want to play this, link is in the comments. I will give you guys the link. Right now, the game is celebrating its 5-year anniversary. Anyways, let's get into it. This part one's in. Oh my god. 360. God, kill me. God, and no. Got launched off the map. As you see here, it's the 5th birthday. Happy 5th birthday, Destroy NYC Subway Trains. Okay. It's the 5th anniversary. So. God. Let me reset my character. I like the ragdoll he has. Anyways. I completely destroyed everything. Wait, no, there's different stations. Hold on. Newtown Junction. Let's see this. Oh, it transfers me to a different game. Nice. Anyways. Get out. Get out. I died. R46. Boom. Run, run, run. Wow. See if I can uncouple these trains right here. Oh, never mind. I can't uncouple. Never mind. Run. God damn. I have notification to tell me what the train is doing. Anyways, R40. R40 slant. Won't be slanted anymore. It's broken. Let's get in here. See, I can teleport to the main game. You know what would be nice? What would be nice is if the stations would like, if the stations were like able to be destroyed. That'd be nice. Anyways, you can teleport to the main game. Anyways, let's teleport to stations of the old. Oh my god. It's the old station. Oh, I remember this time in Roblox. Oh my god, I bring back so much memories. I used to play this game on Roblox. They used to have every Subway game. It used to be blocky like this. And every train used to be drivable. It's at the station of the old. Oh my god. Oh my, how dirty this train is. Won't be so dirty now. Did the bomb even explode? Oh wow. This train's hard to destroy right here. Oh! Nice, nice, nice. Oh, I'm stuck. Okay, never mind. Bam, bam, boom. This is not an older train right here. This is an R142. Well, let's delete this from the map. Let's delete this. This is a train that's not supposed to be here. Let's delete it. Yeah, it doesn't belong here. Run! Where's the R142 at? It's not supposed to be here. Yeah, you're in the wrong place, R142. The wrong place. Not that one. Yeah, this train's in the wrong place. Even though this train was made in 1998? 1999? Oh my god. See, now it's gone. Yep, we have no more. No more. Oh, look at this train. This is the path train. Yep, no more path. No more path train service. I can't get out. No more path train service. Minutes, 2 hours, 4, oh my god. Not enough playtime, how much playtime? About 5 minutes of playtime. Anyways. Let's just nuke everything. Anyways, let's go to Sutter. I don't know what this is. I guess it's gonna take yard. Oh, it's the yard. Oh, let's go. How much trains do we have over here? A bunch. Oh, an R211. Yeah, let's destroy this train before we place the R146s. I killed this. Okay. Oh, I wish I had some big bombs so I could just destroy. Yeah. Oh, R110. R210. R142. Yeah, R142. Oh no, we gotta run. That's a nice uncoupling system right here. Don't mind if I do. Oh! Don't even try to get this. Let's do that. Oh. don't know how I got teleported to the main game. I don't know how. Either way. That's it for this video. I just want to show you guys the 5-year anniversary of Destroy NYC Subway Trains. I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.